Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a fast transaction using Wise. So, first of all guys, what you need to know about Wise is they can have three ways of transactions. There is the fast one, the easy one, and the one with the lowest cost. So basically guys, so basically what we are going to do now is open our Wise account. So let's go to Wise on our phones or our PC. Let's go here, write Wise, and here it is. Now if you want to create a new account, you go to register. If you want to log in, you come here. So for the register part, you can just go here, put your email address, and then you will choose your phone number. They will send you a code, and after that you choose a password and you will be done with that. So now after you finish that and you log into your account, it will be something like that. So let's say for example you want to see the exchange or the transactions that you will do. So let's go for example for send money, and right after here guys you will find these two options. So here you send the amount of money that you want to send. So let's choose for example something like that, and here you choose the currency. So for example USD, and here you will choose for example, or let's keep it euros, and here for example let's choose something like I don't know, something like that. Okay, let's choose this. Now how you can check if the transaction is on the fast transfer or the slow or the easy one? So this is one. So you come here and you check what transaction you have. So here you find the fast transfer, here the low cost transfer, and here the easy transfer. The difference between them is basically the fees. So this one has faster fees, but let's talk about it. So this one should arrive in 4 hours. This one in the 16th January, and this one in 4 hours as well. So this is the difference between these two. So it's just about the timing, and it's like really good to choose the low cost transfer, because as you can see it doesn't cut so much from your account, while this one for example if you want to the easy transfer, it will cut a lot of money from your account. So as you can see here, 16 euro for fees. So after that when you finish that, you click on continue, and then you can just put your information and you will be finished with that. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.